What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Sana nagugustuhan nyo po so far ang mga videos ko. I really appreciate the gestures and the support and love that you're giving me on my premieres. Recently po, I had like 92 millions and then 172. Sobra yun. That was really dope. I didn't expect that at all. Sa lahat po ng teams that are really supporting me, salamat. I really do appreciate those efforts. Ngayon po, tonight, after work, I'm filming this. Pero, I'm just giving a favor for Miss Rowie. I really can't think of any content for today's video. Pero, I thought of like giving you an idea on my cravings, yung mga favorites ko, what I like to eat na very, very close to my heart. Tapos healthy pa. Basta makikita nyo po yung itong with a twist na ito. The Filipino what do you call it? Delicacy. It's a Filipino favorite din. Na gagawa natin ng with a twist. Kasi hindi magiging one Yambao if it doesn't have like, pag wala itong ano na to, this very special, my favorite ingredients na ito na subaybayan lang for sure ng mga Facebook friends ko or Instagram followers ko before, kasi ako I was posting this one sa Facebook before when I'm not yet active and very persuasive pa on continuing my YouTube journey. So ito yung mga video na ito, I shared it lang sa Facebook Facebook page for tomorrow. Well, technically pag pinapanood nyo na ito, so today's video, ayun, I came across this one since I thought of having like some episodes siguro or some flex on, or baka magbibigay ko ng mga episodes ng mga something with this special ingredient, with this special ingredients that I've been mentioning pa kanina. So sana magustuhan nyo ito for sure. May mga iba-ibang flavor akong nakikita sa mga social media before, and then sa even sa TV. So I made my own version of this one and nagugustuhan ko syempre. Without this special ingredients. Diba? You will understand and you will be malalaman nyo kung ano yung gustong-gusto kong ingredients na dapat kahit anything and anything na ginagawa ko, or kinakain ko, gusto ko meron doon. May touch of this one, may pinch of this one, or a bit of a piece of this one. And Rowie, nako, sige pinagbigyan na kita to do this premiere, and I hope sa lahat po ng team na ngayon na nanonood po ngayon at sumusuporta, para po sa inyo ito, sama-sama po tayong mabusog. Alam ko magiging favorite niyo ito, at sana i-try nyo rin at home, kasi for your family, no? And then this offering is for you, for all of you wonderful people. And again, thank you sa lahat po na sumusuporta sa aking premiere, every premiere ko. To all the teams, ito. Yan na lang para sa inyong lahat. Salamat ulit sa mga suporta nyo.
Taho 2.0. Shout out to hello, I'm Jo for the Taho. Brava la mama. Perché l'ho insegnato io.
Mama.
It for today's video. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Try nyo ha. Try nyo yan. Masarap din yan. Ang sarap, di ba? Basta i-tag nyo ako on your Instagram stories or sa Instagram post nyo or on your Facebook. Or just send me a photo or a video pag na-try nyo na ito. Okay? And I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Share to your friends. Share to your social media accounts. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, please tell your friends, family, kabarkada, office mate, co-workers, sino yan, or mga strangers or acquaintances. Basta spread the word. And sana po please continue subscribing and supporting my channel. Marami pa tayong pagsasamahan. Let's grow, no? Together. And salamat po. Please subscribe on my channel. And that's it for today. Hope you like this video. And hope you all have a wonderful day, afternoon, night, dawn. Bye. Bye, wonderful people. Bye.